tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for north-central Indiana. A tornado warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central Wabash County. At 8:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Wabash, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation.
Large wedge tornado went down near Wabash.
Deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage
Oh my
to homes,
gosh!
businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Wabash around 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Serbia, Speakerville, and La Grove. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Wabash, Indiana. A tornado warning remains. Likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wabash around 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Chile, Serbia, Speakerville, and La Grove. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Miami and Wabash.
We're leaving Nashville.
Still has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Smith County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Macon County in Middle Tennessee, central Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Carthage, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carthage, Woodlandsville, South Carthage, Tucker's Crossroads, Dixon Springs, Pleasant Shade, and Granville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Significant weather advisory for Smith, northeastern Wilson. Jacob's Family Orchard near Mount Summit reported 4 inches of rainfall and water flowing across County Road 75W. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Little Buck Creek and Williams Creek in this area will likely flood in addition to numerous other roads. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Henry, Indiana. And now a special weather statement for the following.
too. Dear gosh. That was almost a doubleheader. Wait, if I turn this up. This should have.
Severe weather, including large and damaged winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Just got severe
Stay tuned to
thunderstorm
NOAA
watch.
weather radio, commercial radio, and
No,
television. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Grant County, Blackford County, southeastern Wells County in northeastern Indiana, southern Adams County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern Jay County until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Matthews, or 8 miles south of Upland, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping pong ball-sized hail and
ping pong!
per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by rain spotters.
Oh my
The following
gosh!
impacts are expected. People in
This ping pong sized tail for us.
Montpelier, Geneva, Pennville, Matthews, Nottingham,
Mavericks
Fowler,
fans and ping
Shamrock
pong.
Lake, Tornado.
Ping pong sized tail's one of the fracts.
Domestic impounding.
Wait, so it got better? Because
Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 252 and
Dude, it's
255.
just the storm that's
Point
severe.
your protection room
Not
to an interior
tornadic.
room on the
Okay,
lowest
that's
floor
good. That
of a
means it got
building.
better, bub.
Repeating, a severe
Not
thunderstorm
every
warning
storm
has
could
been
be
issued
tornadic
until
in a
6:30
tornado
p.m.
watch.
Eastern Daylight Time for the following
Yeah, but
counties
still
in
means it got
Indiana,
better, bub.
Blackford, Grant, and
Like,
Jay.
do I have a point?
Doubleheader! Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northern Delaware County until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Matthews, or 9 miles south of Upland, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include
It's
tornado and
dumping down rain right now. Whoa.
This is a radar indicated.
It's hailing!
The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
This is a tornadic warned storm in Delaware.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
It's hailing, guys.
Damage is likely.
It is legit hailing.
The storm will be near, peaking around 5:40 p.m. Eastern
This is
Daylight Time.
incredible. Come look at what my weather radio is scrolling.
Between mile
Guess what it's
markers
scrolling?
245 and 252.
Tornado warning.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors
Oh,
in a mobile home,
that's at least severe
move to the closest
qualifications.
substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county:
This one
Delaware,
doesn't have much
Indiana.
memory. Please don't tell me it's a triple header. That would suck.
This is NOAA All Hazards. Tornado warning for
Okay, yeah, we're going to the bathroom. Tornado warning for us.
northeastern Indiana, southern Adams County, and northeastern Indiana, northern Jay
Reportedly,
County until 6:30 p.m. Eastern
they
Daylight
just
Time.
pushed it. The weather
At
channel says it's for
5:44
us.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado was reported in Delaware County, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
That's gonna go just east of us.
A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters.
That doesn't include us. False
Flying
alarm.
debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be
Yeah,
damaged.
but Shamrock Lakes is right there. So just outside of the warning.
We're in the warning.
No, we're just
Damage
outside
is
of it.
likely. The tornado will be near Dunkirk around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Pennville around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Geneva around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by tornadic.
Seriously.
Salon, Mill Grove, Petroleum, Lynn Grove, and Domestic. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move
Boy,
to the
this
closest
escalated
substantial shelter
quickly.
and protect yourself from flying
The
debris.
thunderstorm advisories confirmation of
Until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Blackford, and Jay. A tornado warning remains in effect until the National Weather Service in Minneapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central.
it went off on my 12262.
Delaware County until 8:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located.
Rare January's we are water event.
60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts
That was
and any
sudden.
size hail. This is indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newcastle, Winchester, Union City, Nighttown, Parker City, Farmland, Lynn, Spice Land,
I was
Selma,
not expecting
Chile,
to catch
Richville,
this
Kennard,
type of warning until
Wilkinson,
February.
Sulphur Springs, Louisville, Mount
Especially
Summit,
this early in
Saratoga,
January.
Modesto,
January
and
10th, it's
Strawn.
unusual to have severe
This
thunderstorm warnings.
includes Interstate 70 between
Here in
mile
it.
markers 111 and 133.
See why it's unusual now?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Hancock, Henry, Randolph, and Rush.